Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how to order someone in English and how to request someone in English. First we will learn how to order someone in English. So let's get started. Example number 1, close the door or open the door. Example number 2, turn down the volume. You can put any word from the box in the gap. Example number 3, turn off the AC, turn on the AC. Example number 4, keep quiet or keep shut. Example number 5, finish it now or complete it now. Or you can put any word from the box in the gap. Now we will learn how to request in English. Example number 1, would you mind closing the door please? Or would you mind giving me a lift please? Example number 2, could you close the door please? Or could you give me a lift please? You can put any word from the box in the gap. Example number 3, please close the door or please turn on the AC. You can put any word from the box in the gap. Example number 4, can you please give me a lift? Or can you please open the door? You can put any word from the box in the gap. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks all viewers. Assalamu alaikum.